Good afternoon, Facebook friends. I'm News Channel 3 meteorologist Jim Jangers here at the Severe Weather Center at News Channel 3. And we wanted to take this opportunity to give you the latest update and the information we have on the winter storm that is headed our way. As we take a look outside right now, this is River Cam 3 looking north up the Mississippi River. We see a beautiful blue sky. We see the same on the tower cam at I-40 and Winton Road as we look off to the southeast. And we see the same on the historic Cotton Exchange building, again looking north up the Mississippi River. Temperatures are certainly very comfortable at this point, and we've got a clean sweep on Storm Tracker 3S completely across the News Channel 3 viewing area. A little bit of cloud cover up here in parts of Missouri, but as we check temperatures across the Mid-South, we're at 61 degrees in Millington, Somerville, Bolivar, Olive Branch, 59 in Tunica and West Memphis, 57 in Covington, and 56 degrees in Truman. A little bit further out, we look up to our north, we're at 58 in Dyersburg, 57 in Blytheville, 60 in Forest City, but 61 from Corinth down to Oxford into Clarksdale. Now let's check the temperature change over the last 24 hours. That warming trend is continuing. The temperatures at 2 o'clock this afternoon are anywhere from 5 to 11 degrees warmer today than they were yesterday at 2 o'clock. So things warming up nicely under the sunshine. Kind of hard to believe that we've got possibility of snow in the forecast, but we do. Wind gusts today up to 20 miles per hour in Memphis and in Forest City. Now let's take a look at the temperature history for the last several days across the area for the Memphis metropolitan area. All last week we had well above normal temperatures. The last couple of days they've been just below normal, 48 and 57 degrees yesterday. Now the winter storm impacts from this storm that occurs late in the day tomorrow are on the moderate end for Friday. This area of yellow is a minor impact, but a moderate here in Shelby County. Very good reason for that. We've got a high population. We've got a lot of bridges and overpasses that are likely to be slick. But that winter storm impact goes to limited across the News Channel 3 viewing area on Saturday. So a moderate risk in Shelby County tomorrow, a limited risk on Saturday. We clear up from this thing very, very quickly. Last 3 hours worth of satellite and radar data continue to show the clear skies that we've got in the area. As we zoom back and show you the big picture, what we've got is a stationary cold front stationary front. I'm going to call it and use it as a cold front because it will be drifting our way. Stationary front moves less than 3 to 5 miles per hour, and this is a very slow mover, but it will be moving through overnight tonight and during the morning hours tomorrow. We're seeing some snowfall up here in Kansas and parts of Missouri, and there are winter weather advisories out for south central Missouri for later on tonight and during the day tomorrow. But let's see what happens with our day planner. Now we're going to show you the temperatures as well, which are a big part of this story and this forecast. But let's start at 4 o'clock this afternoon with just the precipitation and the frontal system. We get to around 10 o'clock this evening, and this is midnight. You can see that cold front is beginning to move on closer to our area. Cloud cover behind it, but no precipitation associated with it at that time. We get to around 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. It's crossing the Shelby County and Memphis metropolitan area around 8 o'clock. Again, cloud cover back here. Now we're detecting a little bit of snow in north central Arkansas, south central Missouri. But the frontal system, the beginning of the cold air, the front of the mass of cold air that's going to be moving over us, starts to move through around 8 o'clock tomorrow morning in the Memphis metropolitan area. We get to 12 noon. The frontal system is completely through the News Channel 3 viewing area, the front of the cold air. So we've got until from 8 o'clock in the morning till 12 noon to get more cold air in here. We're seeing the more cloud cover moving into northeastern Arkansas, the Boudinot, Missouri, northern West Tennessee, Dyer, Gibson County, but the snowfall still way back behind the frontal system, which leads me to believe it might be an upper level disturbance. But now we're at 4:30 in the afternoon. We have cloud cover moving across the Mississippi River into Shelby County in West Tennessee, but the snowfall is just beginning to show at 4:30 in the afternoon tomorrow. So it's not going to be an event that you're going to see tomorrow during the daylight hours. We get to around 6 o'clock in the evening, then the snowfall begins to move across the Mississippi River. 6 o'clock in the evening, that's a very important time. I want you to keep that in mind. 6 o'clock on Friday, we see snowfall in eastern Arkansas. We see some rainfall in northwestern Mississippi. We get to 7 o'clock in the evening, our end of the forecast day for us, and we're in the thick of it here in Shelby County. 6 o'clock Friday evening. Remember that. Let's add the temperatures now, shall we? Getting up to 61 degrees today, down to 52 tonight at 10 o'clock. Again, we see the frontal system beginning to move closer and closer. We get to a low temperature tonight of around 40 degrees around 8 o'clock in the morning when the frontal system moves on through. 40 degrees. Snowfall back up to the north and to the west and central, north central Arkansas, southwestern or south central Missouri. We get to 12 noon. The frontal system is through the area. Our temperatures are in the 60s. And even when you look at different models, as I have today very carefully, most models put us in the 50s at the very least, if not the 60s. So we're expecting another warm day tomorrow in spite of the fact that we're starting to get cold air and northerly winds. We may not make it up to the 60s, but I think we'll certainly be in the 50s across the area. Now we get to around 4, 5, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock in the evening. Our temperatures cool down to 42 degrees. Again, this is the end of our forecast day. Tomorrow at 7 o'clock, and we are in the thick of all this. Started at 6 o'clock. Remember, temperatures still 50 degrees in Clarksdale and 58 in Oxford, but in the 30s in Blytheville. But all these temperatures are above freezing. Yes, we can get some snow with temperatures above freezing. It's going to be tough to stick. And that's where I think my point in this presentation to you. The ground temperatures are so incredibly warm, it's going to be tough to take a ruler and stick it on your driveway and measure, get a measurable amount of snowfall. Now, there will be snow collecting on grassy areas, on garbage can lids outside, on tables that are outside, on your mailbox probably. There will be some accumulation there. But as far as on the ground, being able to build a snowman or slide a sled down a hill, that's going to be tough sledding, as we say. Now let's move this forecast forward. Again, we're at 7 o'clock on Friday evening, and we see that snowfall right on top of us. It is gone out of Shelby County by 9 o'clock in the evening. Remember, it started at 6 o'clock in Shelby County. It's gone by 9 o'clock. 3 hours of snowfall. That's going to be tough to get much more than an inch of snowfall. Now, there are some problems with this because bridges and overpasses are going to freeze first and be slick, and that's why we have a moderate impact, winter storm impact from posted by the National Weather Service. We're still cloudy here in Shelby County as of Friday, tomorrow night at 9 o'clock, but the snowfall, at least according to this model, is gone. It's completely out of the News Channel 3 viewing area by midnight. All right. So again, tough to get inches and inches and inches of snow with the ground temperature so warm and such a small window of snowfall across the area. Now we get to the end of the morning. We get to 4 o'clock on Saturday morning. We're completely cleared of this storm on Saturday. Yes, we've got some very cold temperatures in the forecast. Yes, they are below freezing. I don't know if they're going to be able to support, again, any accumulation on the ground because the ground temperatures are so warm. How much rainfall are we going to get? Well, you well know that as I present rainfall totals to you, this model can change from a quarter of an inch as it was yesterday up to an inch today. I'm not so sure about an inch. I'm thinking probably closer to a half an inch to a quarter of an inch of precipitation. Again, we don't have it for that long. Possible snowfall totals, again, several models are showing an inch. The National Weather Service is likely to put out a winter weather advisory later on this afternoon for our 4, 4:30, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock news tonight, and we will let you know when they do that. But as far as a lot of precipitation being snow, this particular model, this is the European model, is showing about an inch across the area. This is, I want to go back to the projection snowfall. This is another model, GFS, I think, again about an inch of snowfall across the area. But you can pick out a model if you want a lot of snow. You can pick out a model with a lot of snow. This is the North American model, and it's showing 8 inches of snow. Well, it's a model. It's a mathematical presentation of data, and the models can behave differently and give us different forecasts. I don't think we're going to get 7, 8 inches of snow. I don't think we're going to get an inch of snow, but there is that possibility in the forecast. Now, why is this so dangerous for us if we're not going to get that much snow? Again, bridges and overpasses. Normally, when you've got warm ground temperatures, most roads and ground loses temperature rather evenly. But with a bridge or an overpass, you've got a different situation. Unlike normal roads, they have the ground underneath them here in this with this bridge to help insulate them from cooling down too quickly. But with the cold front coming in, bringing northerly winds, colder air, that can get below the bridges, and it can cause a quicker heat loss. Now, that heat loss is going to make it ideal for some accumulation on bridges and overpasses. So as we take a look at the forecast, clear and cold tonight, low temperature 41 degrees, winds from the northeast at 5 miles per hour. During the day tomorrow, I'm forecasting a high of 92. We'll have increasing cloudiness, very windy conditions, northerly winds at 24 miles per hour and gusty. But we showed you the progression, the timeline of the precipitation coming into Shelby County around 6 o'clock, leaving by 9 o'clock, out of the area by midnight, and cleared by 4 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. So again, not a lot of opportunity for the snowfall to accumulate. The ground temperatures are so warm, I'm afraid it's going to melt a lot of it as it comes down. Garbage cans, chairs outside, yeah, mailboxes, you're going to see some accumulation, and that's where you're going to want making your measurement of the snowfall. But taking that snowfall and taking that ruler and sticking it into your yard, you're going to get a couple of inches of your grass, which is no snow at all, it's grass, and then you're going to get whatever snow's on top of it. So I do think we need to pay attention to this. Bridges and overpasses are going to be treacherous Friday night, Saturday morning. But we warm back up on Saturday. Let's see the forecast, 38 degrees. We're above freezing. By Sunday, we're up to 57 degrees with sunny skies. So I think the clearing off will be fairly quickly, but we'll need to pay attention, and we'll continue to track the storm for you on News Channel 3 at 4, 4:35, and 6 and 10 o'clock tonight and tomorrow. And Todd will have the latest tomorrow morning. But we need to pay attention to the bridges and overpasses in particular. As far as building a snowman or sledding down a hill, that's going to be hard. But we do want you to tune back in to News Channel 3 later on this evening, and we'll let you know if that winter weather advisory is issued by the National Weather Service. Thanks so much for joining us on Facebook. I'm News Channel 3 meteorologist Jim Jaggers here at the Severe Weather Center, tracking the storm for you.